What's up guys, Nick here, and in this video I'm going to explain to you guys Bitcoin difficulty and how it correlates with cloud mining and how it works with your profit. Okay, so here on Hashflare you can see my revenue forecast. It's currently $80,000 per year, $1,500 per week, and about $219 per day. Now we're going to ignore the maintenance fee that they take. This isn't exactly accurate, but this correlates with Bitcoin difficulty. So this is the Bitcoin difficulty. The Bitcoin difficulty is basically how hard it is to find a block within the Bitcoin network as a pool, right? And the Bitcoin difficulty is usually always going up. It goes up with the price, and as more and more people join the network to compete to find that Bitcoin block reward every 30 minutes or so. So for example, this was a pretty big, increase here recently. We saw a 19% gain, 1.85, 6.49, and then a 21% gain. This changes every 2 weeks. There's a increase or decrease. It rarely decreases simply because Bitcoin is forever growing right now. It's expanding as a, just growing technology overall. So it rarely ever goes down, but there was a negative 4% here, negative 0.43. But as you can see, it recently changed 21% about 3 days ago, and that resulted in my profit going down. So for example, this could have been at 100,000, and due to the difficulty going up 21%, that could have dropped my profit from 100,000 down to 80,000, because you'd think cloud mining is a no-brainer when it comes to making profit if difficulty didn't exist, but of course it does when it comes to mining, which is why these cloud minings rent out their hardware, because there's so many uncertainties when it comes to the difficulty and stuff, which is why they lent out the hardware to us to buy. That's why people always ask, why wouldn't they just mine for themselves? That's because there's so much uncertainty when it comes to the Bitcoin price and difficulty. Now, this is the thing. $80,000, this can go up to $85,000. You're probably thinking, how, if the Bitcoin difficulty ever goes down? That's because of the Bitcoin price. Usually, the Bitcoin difficulty correlates very strongly with the price. Whenever you see a huge increase in the difficulty, as you can see, the Bitcoin price has been absolutely soaring. So they kind of compete with each other. So if the Bitcoin price keeps going up, that will increase my cloud mining profits in US dollar value. And if the difficulty keeps going up, that'll kind of destroy my profits in US dollar value. So as long as the price goes up with the difficulty, it's not too big of an issue when it comes to Bitcoin mining difficulty, which is why I have about $100,000 in cloud mining contracts between Hashflare and Genesis Mining. So that's Bitcoin difficulty. Hopefully that helps you, understand it when it affects your profits.